today we have a lesson on characterization. Characterization is a new literary device or technique, and we've already looked at a couple of them over the past few classes. So we've looked at simile and metaphor. So I just want to know characterization, just from the word, what ideas come to mind when you hear that word?
Sheldon from Big Bang Theory, for instance.
Okay, so that would be an example of a character from a TV show. But characterization actually deals with the description of that character. So if you gave an adjective to describe Sheldon, for example, that would be characterization. So characterization can either be direct or indirect. So a basic description that tells you what the character is or who they are would be direct characterization. And indirect characterization would show you how the character is through actions or speech or thought or effects on others. And we can tie in characterization with stock characters, which are stereotypical characters that you find often in different forms of media, so TV shows, movies, literature, and they show up very often. And usually in characterization, the author does it intentionally, or it can be unintentionally, to have stereotypical characters. So what I want you to do now is to brainstorm a few ideas in groups of 3 of different stock characters that you would recognize or that you are often exposed to, and then we'll regroup and I'll hear your ideas.
What are we supposed to be doing again?
Something with like stock characters or something.
Oh yeah, like stereotypes in movies, television shows,
Books.
Can you think of any?
Well, there's the evil stepmother in Cinderella.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one. Or even the dumb blondes in Mean Girls.
Dumb blonde.
There's always
a dumb
there's
blonde.
always a dumb blonde. There's even like the jocks, like on Clueless, and how they're made fun of if they don't want to like play sports.
Or on
Or
Glee,
Yeah.
which I hate and don't watch.
I love a musical.
Yeah.
Yuck. And there's always a token black girl. Always.
Oh yeah.
Like in what was it? Bring It On.
Mm-hmm.
Bring It On. Or even Clueless.
Oh yeah, there was a black girl
Yeah.
there too.
Or like the boys in Big Bang Theory.
Oh, the nerdy,
yeah.
geek, mad scientist.
Yeah.
There's always a geek. I think we have enough.
I
Hello.
think so too.
Anyway,
I think it's fire.
I'm going to Forever 21.
I'm coming with you.
You're going to come?
Okay guys, so you all had amazing ideas and they were really mainstream, stereotypical types of characters, and that's okay. But now what I want you to do is reflect on the types of stereotypes that maybe surround you in this society, or like stereotypes that other cultures might have on us as Quebecers, because there are many stereotypes, and I want you to be as extreme as possible in this skit. So I'm gonna pick on anybody to come up here and do a skit. So you'll have like 5 minutes to prepare an idea of that, and then we'll see what you have to present.
I hope you guys are hungry tonight. I made a good pâté chinois.
Pâté chinois.
Hey José, do you want to get me a beer?
I'll get you the beer.
And the ketchup too.
Ah ouais.
Maman, I want to sin.
Pas ce
Do you
soir.
that? I'm not eating that.
Tiens, prends pas de bière, pas de ketchup.
Papa.
What?
Papa. Moi, là, je veux une I want a Pepsi.
Go get it in the fridge if you want it.
Maman, I want a Pit Castor.
Mais là, go get a Jolie in the fridge.
Je veux crème brûlée.
I can't make everyone happy tonight.
Oh.
Mais West too.
Passe-moi le pâté chinois. Voici. Thank
Okay.
you.
Moi aussi.
Oui, voilà, mon gros.
Okay, so thank you guys for the presentation. And as you saw by that, we were all pretty uncomfortable watching it because these are stereotypes that reflect the Quebec culture. And so sitting here, it was difficult to see. But that just shows you that we need to be aware of stereotypes because they can be extremely hurtful. So even in your own writing, like you have to be careful in terms of what you say or how you portray a certain character from a certain group, because it can be extremely hurtful. So just keep that in mind, and